Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook unique food. Start your culinary adventure by exploring ingredients you have never tried before. Look for items like mangosteen, dragon fruit, or perhaps some less common root vegetables from different cultures. Trying new things truly expands your understanding of global cuisine. It is a fantastic way to develop your personal cooking style, encouraging you to step outside your comfort zone and find delightful, unexpected combinations. Finding these distinctive ingredients is part of the fun. Venture to your nearest international grocery store. They often have entire aisles dedicated to products from specific regions, offering unique spices and produce. Many local farmers' markets also surprise you with heritage vegetables or fruits you simply won't see elsewhere. For truly rare items, consider trusted online specialty shops that can ship unique ingredients right to your door, ensuring freshness and quality. Now, let's talk about pairing flavors that might seem unusual but truly work. Think about combining a savory main dish with a bright, fruity sauce, like grilled duck with a cherry reduction. Or, add a pinch of smoked paprika to a dessert for an unexpected earthy note. Don't be afraid to mix ingredients from different culinary traditions. For example, try incorporating a touch of miso paste into a chocolate cake batter. The umami deepens the flavor wonderfully. Mastering new techniques is crucial for unique ingredients. Some require specific preparation, such as blanching certain leafy greens or fermenting vegetables for a deeper flavor profile. Perhaps you could try sous vide cooking for delicate, unusual cuts of meat, ensuring perfect tenderness. Learning these methods not only improves your dishes, but also builds your confidence in the kitchen, allowing you to tackle any recipe with skill and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.